Hi everyone, in this video we will solve x raised to the power 2 times square root of x is equal to 16 times x square. Find the value of x. Let's start the solution of the given question. We have x raised to the power 2 times square root of x is equal to 16 times x square. Now we can solve it by x raised to the power 2 times square root of x is equal to, we know that 16 is equal to 4 square times x square. Here we will apply a formula on the right hand side, that is a power n times b power n is equal to ab whole power n. So we have x raised to the power 2 times square root of x is equal to 4x raised to the power 2. We can write this as x raised to the power square root of x whole power 2, because power will multiply, so it will be 2 times square root of x as it is equal to 4x whole power 2. As the exponents are same, so the bases will also be equal, so we will get x raised to the power square root of x is equal to 4x. Now we have to divide x on both sides of the equation. X cancel with x, this is x power 1. We know that a power n divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So it will be x power square root of x minus 1 is equal to 4. Here we can write 1, so it will be x power square root of x minus 1 is equal to 4. We can write this 1 as 2 minus 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1. We are doing this because we will equate the base and exponent in the next steps. So it will be x power square root of x minus 1 equal to 4. 2 can be written as square root of 4 minus 1. Is it okay? No, you can see the equation. This is x power square root of x minus 1. This is 4 power square root of 4 minus 1. Now there are two cases. First case we have by taking and equating bases, so x will be equal to 4. This is the first case. Now we will move to the second case, when we will equate the exponent, that is square root of x minus 1 is equal to square root of 4 minus 1. We will add 1 on both sides of the equation. Minus 1 plus 1 square root of 4 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 1 cancel. We have square root of x is equal to square root of 4. Now we will take the square on both sides of the equation. Cancel the square root, square cancel the square root. We get the same value of x as in the first case, that is x equals 4. Now we have to check this value of x by putting this value back in our given equation. So we will verify that we have equation x power 2 times square root of x is equal to 16x square. Now we will replace x by 4. So it will be 4 power 2 times square root of 4 equal to 16 times 4 square. This is 4 power 2 into square root of 4 is 2, and 16 times 4 square is also 16. This is 4 power 2 into 2 is 4 equal to 16 can be written as 4 square times 4 square. So 4 power 4 is equal to 4 power 4 means left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation, and our value of x, which is 4, is correct from both the cases, and this is the final answer. This is the way to solve this question. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.